Hey y'all, today I will be reviewing this unit that was sent over to me by Klaiyi Hair. This is their 24-inch Yaki straight wig, and the lace on this unit is a 5x5 HD BlendAway lace closure wig. Since this unit already came pre-customized and pre-cut, I'm gonna jump straight into the install. I'm going in with the Kiss Lace Spawn adhesive spray to lay this lace down. I'm blow drying on the cool setting until the spray is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. For that extra hold and melted look, I'm going in with the Bedhead Masterpiece spray, and I'm only applying a decent amount of that spray on top of the lace. I'm blow drying on a medium heat setting until I feel like the lace is completely dried and laid down. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend this lace with my skin tone. Honestly, this lace blended so well that I didn't even have to use a lot of the foundation to make it look natural. I went in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on a medium heat setting, and I did this step for about 5 minutes, and then without the blow dryer and just the elastic band, I kept that on for an extra 5 to 10 minutes for that extra melted lace look. This is how the lace looked after taking the elastic band off. I went in with my hot comb to flatten the top of this wig and to give it a nice flat foundation. I would suggest going in with a wax stick prior to using the hot comb if you want to go a step further to achieving that flat foundation look. Lastly, I'm going in with the Keep It Fresh spray by Taraji P. Henson, just to give the hair some more life and to make the hair smell good as well. Here is the final look. I really do love the way that this hairstyle came out. The hairstyle honestly just gives off this nice, playful type of look. I really like how natural this lace looked. Even before I applied my foundation, the lace just melted almost immediately with no problems. One of my favorite things about this unit is the texture. I love a good Yaki texture wig, especially when the actual hair is nice and soft and it does not shed. In my opinion, Yaki texture wigs will always give off this natural vibe. I don't know if it's because my natural hair is a Yaki texture, but I love the way Yaki texture wigs look. Here's how the back of the unit look. It flows and moves so effortlessly. It looks super soft and there's no gaps. That concludes this video. I am honestly satisfied with the way that this hair came out and just the quality of the hair itself. If y'all like this unit as well, make sure you comment down below and like the video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video.